Hi everyone, this is Alicia from workersonboard.com. So today I want to tell you about a website that I've been using for, I'm going to say, at least 6 years that you can use to earn some extra cash in your spare time. It will not take you long at all to do this from home. It is open worldwide and teens can join this site and get paid instantly. It's really easy to do, simple, and so I'm going to tell you about that. First, I want to give you some updates. Before I talk about that though, I do want to make sure that if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed to this channel, click on the subscribe or join button. If you like the content that I've been sharing, give me a thumbs up in the video. I really would appreciate that very much. And when you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell to enable notifications so that you will know when I upload a new video. Now, if you all are subscribed to the newsletter and you did not receive one because I sent it out on Friday, make sure you come to my official website, and right here at the very top you input your email address and click to subscribe. So you may not be on the list. So if you didn't receive one Friday, or if you want to get additional work at home job leads, just come here and input your email address. So just to make sure that you will receive those. Now there are some jobs that I wanted to share with you today too. Also, I want to let you know that there's a chat feature now on my blog. If you need to ask me a question, if you need help specifically with something, you can come here and send me a message. It'll go straight to my Facebook Messenger, and then I can respond to you accordingly as I receive those. But please feel free to use that if you need some additional assistance. So there's a job that starts in 8 days, comes from Elevation Connect. They're looking for remote beauty advocates to work from home. This is a full-time job working 40 hours a week. And so you're going to help customers with questions regarding the status of an order. They may want to have assistance with refunds or replacements. Maybe they have a complaint they need resolved, or about loyalty problems, their programs. So you're going to assist them with that. And so they're looking for people that have 1-year call center or retail customer service experience. And this job pays $14 an hour with benefits. So apply as soon as you can, because remember, it starts in about 8 days. The faster you apply, quicker you will be offered to work from home, and then you can start working at the end of this month. Now, if you're a teenager, or if you're a parent of a teen, or you know someone who wants to work from home and they're following this category, Safe Light Auto Glass is looking for those who are at least 16. Of course, if you're older, you can apply too, to answer calls from their policyholders, insurance agents, their shops, so that they can process the claim, and you're going to gather information to help with that. Now, this job doesn't require any experience, but you do need to have a pleasant voice and can operate a computer as well as a phone. They have full and part-time openings. I'm not sure exactly how much the pay is, but if you're interested in an entry-level job, make sure you come and apply online. There's also some companies here that will provide your computer equipment from T-Tech that you can apply to online. And this one that I wanted to highlight comes from TELUS International, formerly known as Lionbridge, which they acquired. They're looking for catalog crawling annotators to work from home. So basically what you're going to do is review products that are going to be offered for sale online, and you're going to make sure that the description and the labels are accurate and all of that. And for this job, you need stable internet connection, be a native English speaker, and can work 20 hours a week. And that is going to involve you working 4 to 5 hours per day. It pays $9.10 per hour. It's an entry-level job, a non-phone job. So just keep that in mind. And the only thing that you have to do when you go to their job description on their official website is to take a 10-minute test. It's a test to make sure that you have read over all of the description and you're familiar with that, and so they just want to make sure that you understand what's required of you, and so that's what they're going to be testing you on. Now remember, TELUS International hires people globally to work from home. So if you live outside the U.S. and you're looking for a legitimate work-at-home job, make sure you come here and apply to this company and see what openings they have available. So now I want to talk to you all about this site that I've been using for, let's say, over 6 years. And it's called Viewpoint. Now, I made a video about this particular site 5 years ago. You can watch it here if you want to know how you can make $25 for every person that you refer. Viewpoint will basically give you a bonus that will not affect their earnings at all whatsoever. But I explain how it works in this video, and you know, how you can use this site. But they've made some updates since then, and that's what I wanted to talk to you all about today. Now, Viewpoint is a market research company that will pay you to take these short, meaning, to me, I would say polls. You will not spend no more than 5 minutes on each poll that you take. You don't have to wait to receive an email from Viewpoint in order to take a survey here. Although they will send you a notification, you can just come in after you've signed up, log into your dashboard, see if you have any available. Like I have a couple right now, and you can take them, and you're always going to get paid here. So this is not a platform where you come and you are 2-3 minutes in and then you're disqualified and you don't get anything. You're always going to make money here. So you're always going to earn. Any survey that they send to you, you can take and get paid. Now they have a mobile app now, so that makes it even easier. So if you're not at home or you're on the go, you can take these polls at your convenience while you're out and about. Remember, it's also available to teens. So if you are at least 13 and you live in the United States and other countries, you can sign up for Paid Viewpoint. If you happen to live in Europe, you do need to be at least 16. But it is open globally, and it's a way for you to earn a little bit of extra cash to give your opinions on different products. And I really like it. This is a site that I've been consistent with and used for a long period of time. I highly recommend it. They have good reviews, but I'm going to give you some tips too to help you to earn a little bit more here. They have lowered their payment threshold. So when you sign up, you do need to have $15 in your account in order to receive a payment here. After you've cashed out at the $15, it lowers to $10 the next time you cash out, and then after that $5, and you can still cash out even if you only have $5 in your account as long as you're in good standing. So they have a mobile app, and now they've lowered the payment threshold, which makes it easier and more rewarding for their members. Now to sign up, you just come to their official website. I'll have the link. If you use my link, you don't need an activation bonus code. They will ask you for one. You can watch a video, a short video demo to tell you how it works, and you register. And remember, you don't need that code if you use my link right below this video to sign up. After you sign up, you come in and you verify your email address. You will need a phone, and that just helps them to know that it's associated with your personal account. You can only sign up for one account per person, not per household, but per person. So just keep that in mind. And then when you go to cash out the first time, they will ask you to verify it with verify your phone number, and that's just to make sure that your account is associated with that number. So that's why they ask you for that. Now, there's questions that you may have in addition to what I may cover in this video, and you can also click on their FAQs to read over some of those. And if you need assistance, you can click the support tab to contact Paid Viewpoint, and they will contact you through their ticket system, either via email or another way, but they will reach back out to you. So you take these polls here, and you get paid to complete these mini polls in your spare time. And you can earn more with this site, not just by referring your friends and telling others, but also with your trait score. As you see here, the higher your trait score is, the more you're going to earn per survey. So the highest that you can receive is 10,000. If you have 9,000, your goal, it says here, is to get at least 9,000 or better. And when you do, every time you take a poll or a survey here, your trait score is going to go up. So what you want to do is continue to take them, to take these surveys and make sure you're honest. You give honest answers to questions that you receive. Don't try to speed through it. Remember, you don't need to do that anyway here, because they take no more than 5 minutes to complete. Some of them only take a couple of minutes or 3 minutes. But 5 minutes or less, complete them, and your score will go up. And so you're going to earn more every time you answer a survey. And that's one of the tips that will help you to earn more. Of course, like I said, too, you want to let other people know, and make sure you come here and log in regularly, because if you do, you won't miss out on any surveys. Sometimes, as you know, with a lot of surveys, it's first come, first served basis. So try to log in, if not every day, maybe every other day, or at least a couple times a week, to see if you have anything available, and take them, and then your score will go up. And so the higher your score, the more you're going to earn, and then that'll help you to reach your payment threshold faster. And remember, as long as you're in good standing with Paid Viewpoint, you are going to be able to get access to those lower payment thresholds, which will help you to get paid. If you need a little bit of extra cash fast, you can do it. But once you cash out, you can do so instantly. I'm going to actually show you all how much I've made in a little bit, but I want to show you the rewards first that they have available. So they've offered more, and this shows you how much I've earned. So lifetime earnings so far for me is $9,530.72. And it breaks it down. You could click to look over your earnings history. But this is why I recommend it, because it's legitimate, and I've earned pretty decent money here with Paid Viewpoint. You can cash out through either your PayPal account if you want to do so, if you want to receive cash here. So if you want to get paid via PayPal, make sure you have a verified PayPal account. You can also redeem your rewards through Amazon, Walmart, CVS, Target gift cards, or even eBay gift cards. It's really up to you. They only used to have these 3 options available, so they've added these three below, which makes it nice and gives you more choices. So I definitely recommend that you use this site. I'll leave a link to an article with some tips, additional tips to help you, and also tutorial, more information about Paid Viewpoint. But if you are looking for a way to earn extra cash, a lot of people contact me to say, look, I'm just looking for a site to earn a little bit of extra cash. This is one that I would recommend that you use. So if you're using Paid Viewpoint and you like it and you've been using it, leave me a comment below, because other people will see that and then they'll be encouraged to sign up too. So remember, if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, feel free to leave me those right below this video. I will be posting brand new work at home jobs tomorrow on the weekly job page, so please come back, check that out, and thank you so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day. Remember, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so, and make sure you check out for my next video. Thanks for watching.